At the wrong moment, what's gonna happen?
2, 3, 4.
I'm going to protect him with my life.
Jaiye!
Àánú ẹni mò ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ fún, àánú ẹni mò ń tọrọ fún Olúwa jọ̀ọ́ ṣàánú mi.
If only you had understanding, all of which that happened. I told you, most of when my daddy kejì, and I'll have time for you, I'll have time for my son, and I'll have time for this family.
I wanna leave again.
You chose work over your own son.
Shut up and let me talk.
I'm tired of having sex.
You cannot be tired. If I tell you to have sex with me 50 times a day, Pamela, you cannot be tired. Don't get me mad.
I miss you.
Èmi fẹ́ lọ́mọ ọmọ mi o. Mo gbà fọlọ́run ni o. Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́mi àti ẹ dàpọ̀? Nǹkan ayọ̀ tó ní ni.
Olenu, twice in a day.
What's this?
Shh. Don't distract me.
Even if I get a child this morning and I lose it in the night, Lord, I don't mind. I don't mind.